Hello guys! And I'm back for another video. And for today's video nga, dahil marami sa inyo ang nagustuhan yung aking banana bread video, for today's video naman, tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano gumawa ng single loaf banana bread at healthier version pa yan. Pero this time, tuturuan ko naman kayo ng double chocolate banana bread. Simulan na natin yan. So, as you can see, meron ako ditong banana. Ito ay ripe bananas po at gumamit ako ng 3 ripe bananas. Okay? So, imamash lang natin to. So, ganyan lang. Then, meron din ako ditong 1/3 cup ng melted butter. You can use organic organic butter. Pero kung wala kayo nun, you can use regular butter. Pero this time, gagamit tayo ng mga organic na ingredients, okay? So, yan. The next naman na gagawin ko is maglalagay tayo ng 1 egg. So, yan. Ito, 1 egg. Lalagay natin yan. And then, gagamit din ako ng yogurt. So, last time, gumamit ako ng sour cream. But this time, since it's healthier version, magagamit tayo ng yogurt. So, ang ginamit kong yogurt is this one. This is Greek yogurt, which is healthier version naman. So, ito yung pinakamagandang klase ng yogurt na ginagamit ko this time. So, ayan. Kung gusto niyo bumili niya, nabili ko to sa Costco. Look at that one. So, that's the yogurt that I use. So, itong yogurt is 2/3 cup. 2/3 cup of yogurt. Ipa-flash ko sa screen sa end ng video na to, ipa-flash ko sa screen yung mga full ingredients natin na ginamit, ha? So, yan, mimix lang natin yan. Tapos naman yan, hindi po ako gagamit this time ng brown sugar, gagamit ako ng maple syrup. So, this one, gagamit ako 3/4 cup instead na 1 cup of brown sugar. Kung gagamit kayo ng brown sugar, okay lang yan. Lagay nyo 1 cup of brown sugar. Pero dahil medyo watery yung ating maple syrup, 3/4 cup lang yung lagay ko. At itong brand na to ang aking ginamit. Okay? So, yan. Mix lang natin yan. And then, na-add ko na rin yung ating vanilla. So, ayan. Gagamit tayo ng vanilla. Vanilla flavor. 1 teaspoon. Okay? Tapos naman, ito yung ating wet ingredients, ha. So, next naman na gagawin natin is yung ating dry ingredients. So, yan, meron ako ditong 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Pero, if you want it more healthier, dahil wala nga akong almond flour, you can use almond flour for more healthier version naman. So, ayan, ito 1.5 cup ng ating all-purpose flour. And then, maglalagay ako dito ng pinch of salt. Just pinch of salt lang kasi 1 loaf lang naman yan. And then, I'm gonna add, since it's double chocolate version ng banana bread, mag-add ako ng 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. And then, maglalagay din ako ng 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Ayan. Tapos, imimix lang natin ito until well combined. Yan. After that, i-combine na natin together ang ating wet and dry ingredients. Okay, then mix lang all together. And since it's double chocolate, i-add ko na rin yung aking 1 cup of unsweetened chocolate chips. So yan, after mixing, ilalagay lang natin to sa ating nag-grease na pan. So, I just use oil spray. This is the brand that I use. And then, ilalagay lang natin tong ating mixture dito sa ating pan. Okay? Sa ating loaf pan. So, there you go, guys. This is our mixture. And we're gonna bake this for 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius in 1 hour. And then, yan, babalikan natin to mamaya pagkatapos. Okay? So, there you go, guys. As you can see, meron tayong dalawang banana bread. I tried an experiment and yung isa, wala po itong egg. So, look at that. This is how it looks like dahil wala siyang itlog. So, sa mga kumakain dyan na allergic sa eggs, pwede nyong skip yung egg, walang problema. Same process pa rin ang inyong gagawin but no eggs. But look at inside. Very, very moist. And as I was saying, this is very healthy because everything I use today is organic. And also, I didn't use any sugar. I use the healthier version, maple syrup. So it's really good. It's really good. Mm, end game. Really good.